Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, I think I should welcome myself back because it's been such a long time I haven't made a video. Even now, this was all like, honestly, it was impulsive decision to film this video because I missed YouTube. Honestly, I did, but a lot was going on, and I had this whole phase, and then I got really bad breakouts on my face and I wasn't confident and everything. But now I'm like, fuck it. I'll just make a video because I want to. So in this video, I will be showing you all the empties that I have accumulated over the last year, and some of them I absolutely love and have purchased again, and some of them, well, yeah, I hate them. So I'll just show them all to you, and it's gonna be a long video, so मैंने इसको segment में divide किया है. First, I'll talk about all the fragrances that I have, then hair, skincare, and then your makeup related products. Cool? Great, let's go. Okay, for fragrance, first I have, let's start with, okay, so just a side note, I have always been somebody who never bought her own perfumes. I don't know, मेरे को वेस्ट लगता था क्योंकि like गिफ्ट पे सब लोग परफ्यूम्स दे देते, ठीक है, तो मेरे को लगता था मेरे को मिल ही जाएगा तो मैं क्यों खरीदूँ, right? But this is the first perfume that I've ever purchased for myself, and it is this. This is Nykaa's Hidden Blush, and honestly, जितने compliments मेरे को इस perfume पे मिले हैं ना, can't even begin to tell you. लोगों ने मुझसे literally पूछा है कौन सा perfume लगाया हुआ है, क्या है, and it's a cheap perfume. It's not even like it's really expensive. इसका cost है 799 और हमेशा सेल लगी होती है, ठीक है, तो you can get it for cheap. I think सेल पे 599 तक का मिल जाता है, तो या फिर like 600-650 के अराउंड मिल जाएगा ये आपको. But amazing perfume, I love it. इसकी ना काफ़ी floral, fruity, vanilla sort of smell है. So honestly, I would give this 10 out of 10. I've got like 3 bottles of it till now. I've used them all, so do check it out. The next one on my list is Davidoff Cool Water. This one's Wave. इसके और भी variants हैं, and honestly, it's a very summery perfume, ठीक है, अच्छा है. It retails for around 4900. If you don't want to spend that much, or be options available here, so you can go for that. But if you want to try it out, not a bad perfume, really, like for every day, it's great. 8 out of 10, honestly. So yeah, that's my opinion. Now the next one on my list is this one. Now this is the Body Shop's Black Musk, and I'll be honest, stole it from my sister because I'm a cheap ass. मैं इतने महंगे perfumes नहीं खरीदती उतना, but ये बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने we went for this party and she was wearing it and I loved it. I loved it so much. I had to get it from her. मैंने उसी टाइम पे बोला कि I need this. ये night outs के लिए ना actually बहुत ही अच्छा है. If you are going out and you have an event or something of that sort, this like people will definitely stop you and ask कि कौन सा perfume लगाया हुआ है, because it's really good. So the next perfume on my list, okay, ये मैंने use नहीं किया है. I gifted it to my father, and it is this one. This is from Coach. Honestly, it's a good everyday sort of perfume. I would not recommend giving it to your boyfriend or anyone, you know, like पापा लोगों के लिए ठीक है, मैं ये बोलूँगी. Like रोज जा रहे हैं, ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, लगा के जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट वैसे कोई स्पेशल कुछ है नहीं, बस it's just Coach. यही चीज़ है, बस कोच का परफ्यूम है. ओ माय गॉड, अच्छा है. और कुछ ज़्यादा स्पेशल नहीं है. 7 out of 10 दूंगी मैं इसको, अगर मैं देखूँ तो. Okay, so enough with fragrance. I will move on to hair care. So first I have this. This is Kiehl's Magic Elixir Hair Reconstructing Concentrate with rosemary leaf and avocado oils. It's for all hair and scalp types. So इसमें मेरे को कुछ ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग है या फिर ये बहुत ही ख़राब है. बहुत ही न्यूट्रल हूँ मैं इसको लेके. नॉट समथिंग दैट आई वुड गेट अगेन फॉर 2900. मेरे को कोई इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. सो प्रोडक्ट, यू नो. सो इट्स योर कॉल वेदर यू वांट टू ट्राई इट और नॉट. कुछ बुरा भी नहीं है ट्राई करने में, करना है तो कर सकते हो. मे बी कंटिन्यूस यूज़ के बाद ये ज़्यादा अच्छा रिजल्ट देगा या कुछ ऐसा, बट मुझ में पेशेंस इतनी है नहीं. तो मैंने ये यूज़ नहीं किया एक के बाद, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोना गेट इट अगेन. So the next one on my list is this. This is Fable and Main's Holy Roots hair oil, and oh my god, let me tell you, this product works. It actually works. It's really good for your hair, and it retails for around $12.90. So you get 14.4 ml of product. And I have another bottle of this. After this I purchased another one, and I did recommend it to my sister as well and my friends, क्योंकि ये काम करता है. Like, ठीक है, Kiehl's वाला मैं इतना recommend नहीं कर रही, but ये तो I think you should definitely go for this one and try it for yourself. 10 out of 10. So next I have sunscreens for you, and first one is this. This is Dr. Sheth's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen. It is SPF 50+. It's hydrating, brightening, and it has no white cast. Also, it has 1% turmeric extract as well in this. So, but ये कोई ऐसे yellowish tone नहीं देती है और कोई white cast भी नहीं देता है. So it's great like in that sense. But ठीक है, मतलब कुछ bad reviews nahi hai. It did not break out my skin, although like you can see I have acne prone skin. I get really bad breakouts, and kafi like I am very skeptical when I'm applying something new on my face. So because again, breakouts, जितना भी manage कर लो कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाता है. So me being a cautious person, I'm recommending you this sunscreen. It's really good. You can go for it if you have acne prone skin. If you have sensitive skin, you can try it out definitely. So the next sunscreen that I have for you is this. This is Clinique's Mineral Sunscreen Fluid. Now it is for sensitive skin type, and it has SPF 50 in it. And yeah, it's a really nice sunscreen, to be very honest. It's really good. Like, I would definitely get this again. But it is for 3200 rupees, and you get only 30 ml of product. Yeah, 3200 for 30 ml of sunscreen. If like, it's a 10 out of 10 wala product, but I'm gonna give it 9 out of 10 just because it's too expensive. Thoda price kam kar lo and everything will be fine then. या तो product की quantity बढ़ा दो please. 3200 for sunscreen, like, are you kidding me? But it's really good, so take care. Moving on. Next I have this. Now this is Minimalist's face toner. Okay, so it is not empty, you can see. That's because of my stupidity. I stopped using it after a while because I thought, you know what, I'll go natural. I'm not gonna use any product on my face. Maybe that's why I'm breaking out. Like, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा serums लगा रही हूँ, toner लगा रही हूँ, इसलिए मेरे को हो रहा है. Like, because having acne is very traumatizing, honestly, and you want to do anything and everything to just get rid of them. So whenever somebody used to tell me, कि maybe you should get rid of all the products and like go natural, use organic things, haldi, ye wo, blah blah blah, उससे ठीक हो जाएगा, ये करो मैं कर रही थी, कुछ नहीं हुआ उससे, ठीक है. And I realized कि problem ये नहीं है, products are not the problem. So yeah, I went back to using everything, but yeah, ये expire हो गया था उस duration में, तो I can't obviously use it, but I would recommend this. Honestly, काफी अच्छा toner है, and it's very budget friendly as well. It's only for 400 rupees, so it's a really good toner. Now the next thing on my list is this. Now this is Innisfree Green Tea Balancing Skin X. Now honestly, again, you can see it's not empty. It's like, it still has a lot of product in it. I stopped using this one because इससे मेरे को actually breakouts हुए थे. ये बहुत ही, मतलब, I would not do this to my skin ever again. I would never apply this product on my skin. I will not get it near my skin. No, it's going straight into the dustbin. बहुत ही, मतलब, गलत है ये मेरे लिए. तो I don't know किसी के लिए काम करा या नहीं, but मेरे लिए तो नहीं करा. I would not recommend this if you have sensitive skin. So yeah, and it retails for 1200 rupees. So 1200 rupees down the drain. Next, I have a night gel for you, and it is this. This is Plum's Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and honestly, it's really good. Like, as you can see, पूरी bottle मैंने साफ कर दी है, क्योंकि and it smells really good. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, and it's really cheap also. Like, it's for around how much? 575 rupees, and you get a lot of product for 575 rupees. You get 50 ml, which is great, honestly, for night gel. काफी अच्छा, you can try it. It really, you know, like hydrates your skin really, really, really well, and it did not break me out. So 10 on 10. Next, I have this, and this is L'Oreal Paris's Revitalift. Honestly, अच्छा है ये. It gives you that radiance and that, you know, like it's good for your skin. I would recommend this, but मेरे को कोई इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा कि मैं दोबारा खरीदूँ. Again, कुछ इतना वो नहीं है, खराब नहीं है, तो you can try it. The next product, oh my god, I can ramble about this product for days because I love this. Like, love, 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 love it. Now this is Solasu's First Care Activating Serum. Amazing. Holy shit. It's okay, so this one's a really tiny bottle of it. Now this one is for 850 rupees and you get around how much product? 8 ml. I have bought a bigger size of this bottle. I'll show it to you. Wait. Here you go. The tiny bottle that I first got to try it, and the one that I got after purchasing this one because I loved it so much. Honestly, one product out of every thing that I've shown you here today, this is what I highly recommend. Like, just get it. Trust me blindly on this. You love it. And trust me, like, I am somebody who hates wasting her money like that. So if I'm saying you need to get it, even though it's really expensive, you need to. So get it as soon as possible and thank me later. The next product from my list is this. This is Laneige Lip and Eye Remover. It has 50 ml product in it and it retails for around 620 rupees. And as you can see, it still has some product, not some, like quite a lot of it. But again, it's expired. It's good. It's not a bad product. It does its job, basically, right? But I couldn't use it because I stopped using all of the products and I told you the reason. But yeah, it's expired now, so I am not going to be using it. Straight in the bin. Next, I have Plum's Green Tea Skin Clarifying Concentrate for you. It has 30 ml of product and it retails for around, I think, 1100. Something around that, yeah, something around that amount. Not too sure. But yeah, it's a really good product. Honestly, Plum के काफी अच्छे products है. I was not expecting it शुरू में when I started using Plum because नहीं लग रहा था कि हाँ, मतलब कुछ होता है ना, कुछ ब्रांड से उम्मीद नहीं होती है, बट आई वाज सो रॉन्ग. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. सो इनके काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे, लाइक आई हैव दीज टू. ऑनेस्टली अगर तुम इनके प्रोडक्ट्स ना पेयर करोगे इन्हीं के प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ, सो लाइक इफ़ यू यूज़ दिस एंड यू यूज़ देयर night gel and you know, sort of make a combination of their entire CTM thing and serums and everything, काफ़ी अच्छा वर्क करता है आपकी स्किन पे. आई हैव नोटिस्ड दिस अ लॉट. I would recommend कि उन्हीं का you know, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, सब कुछ उन्हीं का use करो. It will work wonders on your skin. So for all my girlies who have acne prone skin and sensitive skin like me, I have a product for you and it is this. This is Pink Foundry Treatments Overnight Acne Spot Corrector. It has sulfur, salicylic acid and zinc oxide and it has 15 ml product and it retails for around 550 rupees. Honestly, काफ़ी useful product है. I use it every day on my face. अब तो ख़त्म हो गया. I have ordered another bottle of it. So basically, after your nighttime skincare routine, you just have to take a, you know, earbud, dip it in this, and apply it wherever you have acne. Don't use it all over your face. Just your, you know, spots, your acne. That's it. And you will see a result in like a day or two. Honestly, but ये भी नहीं है कि एकदम से पूरा acne ठीक हो जाएगा. But if you have an active acne, it will dry it up and you'll feel a lot better. It won't hurt. So yeah, I highly recommend this for people who have acne prone skin and have a lot of active acne on their face, like me. Next for you, I have this. This is Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. It has 30 ml of product in it and it retails for around 950 rupees. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on MAC's Stroke Cream, go for this. You're getting a lot of product and it actually works. Like, so just mix it with your, you know, moisturizer or foundation and it'll give you that illuminating look. So yeah, go ahead, get this. It's for 950 rupees and sale लगती रहती है इस पे भी काफी, so you can check it out on Nykaa or Tira Beauty. Next for you, I've got this. This is a lip gloss by Lime Crime. It's called Wet Cherry. Wet Cherry. My nickname is Cherry, so it's really funny to me, honestly. But yeah, it's a really good gloss. It's really pretty. So if you're like somebody who loves glosses, then definitely try this one. It retails for around 1200 rupees. It's definitely worth buying, honestly. Like, just go for it. Oh, and they have a lot of variants in this, but this one is what I liked the best. So yeah, you can try another if you want, but I would recommend this one. So the last product from my list is this. This is K Beauty's Ultra Black Volume and Length Midnight Mascara, and it has around 12 it has 12 ml product in it, and it retails for around 899 rupees. Honestly, average product. कोई इतना अच्छा नहीं है कि oh my god कितना अच्छा mascara है. Oh wow. But for the amount that you're paying, it's decent. मतलब average product है, like 6-7 out of 10. So yeah, that's my rating. I'm not gonna get it again. I'll probably try some other mascara. But ठीक है, average mascara. If you want something under 1000 rupees, decent है. Alright, so that's all for my video. I am done with all the empties. और कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास ऐसे दिखाने के लिए product. तो let's just end this video here, and I will see you in another video, hopefully real soon. So bye.